Let's play our chromatic scale going up 3 octaves instead of just stopping at 2 octaves when we get up to the top E string. So we're going to keep on going and do open, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slide our hand up so that our first finger comes up to the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continues on the 9th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where we're going to end on the octave at the 12th fret. So we're going to start all the way down here on our low 6th string, and we're going to go all the way up to here. Here we go. Going up and down. 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 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 2, 3. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide up to 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide up to 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. Good job.